All right, what's going on, guys? So today's video, day 13, right? We're going to be talking about patience. All right, having patience is probably going to be like the most important thing when you're just starting to trade. And how to develop patience is going to be a crucial thing to learn and a crucial thing to develop, especially as you progress in this academy and as you progress on your own trading journey. You guys will see that being patient is going to be the market rewards people for being patient. So you have to be extremely patient in this game right here. If not, you're going to get your ass blown out. So you got to be extremely patient. And we'll just run through some examples here so I can show you guys examples of being patient. So if I go to the 15-minute here and we just come back, we scroll over here, right? Actually, let's go back to the 4-hour real quick so I can show you guys this. So this price action right here, right? We're obviously in a bullish market, right? We keep making higher highs, higher lows, etc. Right. So an example of just being patient is, remember what I told you guys in the last one about premium and discount. You want to look for the market to go lower when we're in a premium market, right? Now, since the structure here was broken, right, and we've made lower lows, right? This is a lower high, obviously, but now this is a new external range, right? So if we mark out the swing high to the swing low, you get your discount, right? Now that we have confirmation that the market's going up, this is where you want to pay attention to the 50%, the equilibrium, and then the premium market. So again, what I told you guys in that video is you guys don't want to look for any sells until the market is in a premium, right? This is what I mean by being patient. There might be setups here on the lower time frames that it may look like it's going to go lower, but when you have that higher time frame external range, for example, here on the 4-hour, right, we have the swing high, swing low, we get retracements up. Again, on the lower time frames, it might look like it's going to come lower, but you have to pay attention to your higher time frame external range, okay? And you have to be patient. You have to develop patience somehow. You have to be patient. And we'll talk about how you guys we'll talk about like set rules you guys could have to, be patient so you guys could wait for these type of setups. But for now, you guys have to really hone in on the patience part, especially when you are trading ranges like this. When you have a clear external range like this, you want to wait for premium, right? You want to wait for the market to draw back up to the 50% into a premium market. Now, this is where you can entertain the idea of a lower high being formed and entertain the idea of price going lower from this area up here, a premium market, right? You don't want to try to sell down here. This candle right here may have looked like it was going down, right? Let's go to the replay mode real quick. And we'll just go ahead and let it play out here, right? We'll let it here, let me go a little bit faster. We'll let it play out. So it might have looked like it was going lower right there, like in the live market. But again, guys, you guys do not want to start looking for shorts until you come into a premium market. This is what I mean about being patient, right? You have to be patient. And this took so this was formed on a Tuesday low. So this took about 2 days to get up to there. Okay. So this is what I mean by you have to be patient, right? This low was formed on Tuesday. This high was formed on Thursday, right? It was 2 days until market came into a premium. Yes, we had a nice little tap here, but this was after market hours, right? We're trading indices here. Again, this works on Forex. This works on crypto as well. More Forex, not really crypto. Crypto's, again, more volatile market, more risky market, right? It doesn't really follow these concepts all that great. It doesn't. We'll talk about crypto in another whole different academy, but let me just mute that so you guys don't even pay attention to that. But Forex, like GBP, USD, Euro, USD, it works the same thing. Gold, oil, everything, right? But for indexes, right, the stock market, they have, this is futures, right? So it's like, it's always open. But stock market, they usually close. This is where you want to keep your trades. This is where you want to put it on trades, right? So the stock market opens, equities open at 9:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's the time frame you guys want to look for trades in. Anything before that, anything after that, before you can, but anything after, the volume kind of dies down and you don't really get some clean setups. So you kind of have to wait until the next morning, right? And here's a perfect example, right? Tuesday Tuesday morning made that low. And then Wednesday, we were just messing around in discount of this external range. And then you have to be patient, right? And then Thursday, we come up to here. This is where you can start entertaining the idea, right? This was early Thursday morning. So you can start entertaining the idea of, okay, we're possibly going lower, right? We've broken structure to the downside. We have a nice body candle closure right there, right? Below all these lows right here, we have a nice body candle closure here. Below all these lows right here, right? This low right here that made the swing high, this low, and this low. We have a nice body candle closure here. So structure has been broken. We are potentially getting into a bearish trend. So you can start entertaining the idea of, okay, this could be possibly a lower high, and this could be a weak low since it never made a higher high, right? So this is where you would start to look for shorts, okay? Just using the premium and discount concept that I taught you guys in the last video. But this all ties back into being patient because, again, you guys do not want to look for sells in here. You want to look for longs, honestly, to take it back up to here, right? This is where you want to start selling your longs, right? If you bought down here, this is where you want to start taking profit and potentially switching to the short side so you can make money when the market goes down to make a lower low. And it, in fact, did that. Very big candle right here. You could have made a lot of money, right? Just using this simple concept here and market structure that I had taught. All right. But it's all about being patient. You don't want to try and short right here, right at the tap right away, because if you do, you're going to have to endure all this drawdown, which most likely a lot of you guys are not going to be able to do. Okay. Because if you get into a position right here, a short position right when it taps it, it could work for a little bit. And then as you see overnight into the early morning hours of Thursday this week, we go all the way up to here, and then we make another higher high on the lower time frames, right? So you have to endure all this drawdown if you're not being patient. You have to be extremely patient in this game, and it's something that you guys will develop as you progress in your trading journey, as you progress during this academy, and as you watch more videos. You guys need to practice patience, okay? And the way to do that, there's a lot of ways you guys can do that. You can go to the gym, you guys can cook, you guys can do a lot of external activities outside of trading that could increase your patience. Reading a book, doing all these good habits will apply to these charts, right? How you do one thing is how you do everything. So you need to practice patience, and a good way to do that is just noticing where you are in a range, especially a external range, because when you look at this, right, because premium and discount is very important. When you look at premium versus discount, and you notice where you are in the external range, this is going to have you, okay, like if you are planning to sell like right here, you're gonna want to wait. You're gonna have to wait until market is in a premium to sell. Of course, you can sell down here if you want, right? You can catch little moves or whatever, but you want to catch the big juicy moves, right? So you're gonna want to wait until the higher time frame external range, right? Until price action is in a premium market, right? So when you use this concept of premium and discount, this is going to force you to be patient rather than try to catch every little move down here in discount of this external range. Does this make sense? That's why I made the premium and discount video before this video. So this way it makes more sense. Okay. So I just wanted to emphasize that. And next video, tomorrow's Sunday. So the next video is going to be homework. And I'm going to have you guys come into TradingView to backtest and mark out your external ranges and just be patient, right? Just study how price action is reacting off of these premium and discount, right? When market's in a premium, look how it reacts. When market's in a discount, look how it reacts, okay? But again, a lot of this is tying in together now, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little lecture here. Again, you just have to be patient in these markets. And the way to do that is using this premium and discount concept. It's going to help you guys avoid unnecessary losses, unnecessary trades when you guys are going to start getting into these markets and placing trades. Okay. And hopefully you guys have been in TradingView, messing around with the paper trading, messing around with just charting, right? If you guys want, also, you guys can copy my colors if you guys like this, or if you guys like the standard green and red. Here are my settings for this. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this lecture about being patient. Practice patience. If you are barely getting into trading, or if you're just watching this, academy as a student of mine right now, you're in the paid Discord, whatever it is, practice patience. Pick up good habits. Read a book. Go to the gym. Cook. Right. All these things require patience. So requires patience and focus. So all these are very good habits to bring into your trading, and you're most likely going to be a much more successful trader if you pick up these good habits because they carry on to the charts. But hopefully you guys enjoy this lecture. I'll catch you guys in the next one, which is the homework for next week. Peace.